Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing today? If today is your first time stopping by my channel, you're welcome. For those of you who have been coming back to watch me every week, thank you so much. Welcome back also. Today I want to do a very brief video. I know I've promised you guys this video like almost 2 weeks now, and it's long overdue, and I said I'm gonna have it done today no matter what. So I talked to you guys last time about your face mask. As you can see, I have nothing on today because I want to make this video, so I needed my face to be without makeup so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now I want to talk to you about this rice mask that I use on my face. You can also use it as a scrub. It's a scrub and a mask at the same time. So the ingredients you need is rice flour. You can see that I bought this one from the farmers market. This is organic rice flour, and if you don't want to buy that, you can make your own at home. I had like a full container because I've been using it, so I made this one. All you need to do is grab a handful of rice, probably about a container like this full, handful of rice, pour it in a blender, and then blend it until it gets smooth. It will feel like salt in your hand. I think that should be because I use that to exfoliate my skin. So this is why I did this one at home. And I also bought this one so I can show you guys. So it will say rice flour on it, white rice flour, organic white rice flour. So it could be brown rice also. You guys know rice is very good for your skin. It will help you from sunburn. It will prevent your skin from the sun. It will help to exfoliate your skin. It helps to clean your skin. It will tone your skin, and it helps with it will help to lighten your skin. Is good for aging. Rice is very good. I can just go on and on and on about rice. And then the second ingredient we have is honey. This is honey, 100% honey. Honey is very good. As you all know, I don't do nothing in this house without honey. Honey is like my number one everything that I do. I use it for my tea, my coffee. I use it for a lot of my skin products. It's just, honey is wonderful. It's just amazing. It will make your skin smooth. It makes your skin shiny. It helps to heal if you have any scar on your skin. It will make your skin glow. You understand? Honey is very nice. Honey also have lots of benefits, and if I want to just keep going on and on about benefit of honey and all these ingredients, we could be here all day. But these are things that everybody already know. I'm just stating like the little ones. Now the third one we have is milk. I usually pour in this small container because I don't want to be using the big gallon of milk because my kids are drinking from it. So I would just dump something here, and then I just use it until I run out and then pour some more. So this is milk, vitamin D milk. And we all know milk is good. It will keep your skin moisturized all day. It makes you younger. It will make your skin, it will give you that nice even skin tone you're looking for. Milk is just wonderful. It will help to glow your skin. So today we're gonna do this mask, and we're gonna start by using 1 teaspoon. I'm just making a little one. Let me just do 2, okay? So just let me show you how to mix it. We're gonna do 1 spoon, and then we're gonna do the second one. So this little teaspoon, I did 2 of the rice, and then make sure I close it. And then I'm gonna do the milk. The honey will come in last because it's thick. I'll do 3 spoons of the milk and close it. And now I'm gonna do the honey. Make sure I mix that. And the honey, I will just do like 1 spoon and close that. Just make sure it's properly mixed together. So I don't want it too watery because it's gonna start draining down my face. So you can add let me just add from this one, since it's this one that I'm using for now. You can add a little bit more. Just, you can make it as however thick you want it to be. If you want it watery, that's fine. If you want it thick, I always like it a little thicker because I think it stays much better on your face. You can see. So once you get it done like that, you're ready to mix. This soap will brighten your face. It has no chemical in it. This is all natural ingredients, and just mix it very well. Once it's all mixed, the next thing you do, you will just start applying. So the next thing you do, you dip your hand inside and you just dab it on your face. Dab, dab, dab. See what I said? I wanted it thick so it will sit on your face. So just dab it all up around your face, on your neck, way down. Make sure everything is nice and even. I'm making a big mess. But at least you understand what I'm trying to say. So once you have it all over your face, just put it in there on your face, apply it all over your face, leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes. And once you're done, you go and just wash off your face. Once you're done washing off your face, you just apply your lotion. I usually will do oil because I like doing this at night. So I will use, like, let me show you the oil that I use on my face when I'm done. So once you're done washing your face, you will just apply this oil on your face. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see this oil? Jojoba oil is very, very nice. This oil is so good. This is an organic one. It will help to like it will help to like it helps with wrinkles, it helps for aging. It's wonderful. So once you apply this and you just go to bed, just put drops and just tap your face gently. I'm sorry if you hear noises, my kids crying. They all want to come to where I'm doing my video. And look, I'm a mess. I took my wig off because I wanted to apply this all over the face. I don't want this to touch my wig, okay? That's why you see me with my hair thing on. So that's like, why she have that on? You all know you wear wig just like me, so you know what is on my head. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. I'm sorry this video is coming so late. I promise, you know how it is with kids in the house. I'm busy like crazy. So I promised myself I have to do this video today so you guys won't be angry with me. So I got it done. Here we are. Tell me what you think of this video, okay? I'm gonna leave you now so I can go wash off my face and apply my oil, okay? So I will see you guys here tomorrow for another video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please support me. Support the mother of triplets. I'm just messing with you. But anyway, you guys know how it is, right? I love you and I have to get out of here. This thing is just dripping down my body. Got to go. I love you guys. Please don't forget to share this video. Share, share, share. Subscribe, like this video. Come on, give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? You guys are doing wonderful. All right. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Mwah.